And that's into the box.
Gets the header in. Well, let's take another look at that. He's trying to pick out the man in the box.
And he hits it. He got under that a bit too much, I think.
The replay will give us a closer look.